The Master Builder by Dr. Alfonso Martinez Arias presents cellular biology from the perspective of viewing cells as complex molecular machines and factories full of molecular machinery carrying out coordinated processes. The central idea is that life emerges from the intricate interactions and engineering principles of biomolecular components like proteins, rather than just chemical reactions occurring in a soup. This view has been reinforced by technologies like cryo-electron microscopy that can now resolve the 3D structures of enormous molecular complexes like the ribosome down to the atomic level, revealing their machine-like structures and coordinated mechanisms. Super-resolution microscopy has provided stunning visualizations of molecular motor proteins like kinesins transporting vesicles along microtubules like fantastic conveyance systems within cells. In contrast, the core theory of Dawkins, the selfish gene, frames the mechanics of evolution from the perspective of genes propagating themselves into future generations. Dawkins provocatively posited genes as the true units of selection in evolution, with organisms simply being survival machines for getting genes copied into subsequent generations. This gene-centric view has found support from discoveries in molecular genetics and genome sequencing. For example, the existence of selfish genetic elements like transposons that propagate themselves within genomes supports a degree of genetic selfishness, and mathematical models of the mechanics of natural selection operating on genetic variants better explain many counterintuitive evolutionary phenomena like kin selection. However, while valuable as a conceptual framework, the gene-centric view has been nuanced somewhat by deeper understandings. Factors like gene regulation, multigenic traits, horizontal gene transfer, and developmental causes show genes do not fully explain the full story of evolution in isolation from other influences. Ultimately, both frameworks offer productive perspectives. Cellular biology underpins the molecular machinery animating life's processes, while also being shaped by evolutionary forces propagating genetic information across generations. Modern biology synthesizes these views. Genes encode molecular factories full of highly derived machinery, which in turn enables genes to be effectively replicated and propagated. Reductionist and higher-level perspectives are complementary lenses illuminating the multi-scale wonders of how life emerges and evolves.